I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Apple ID and installing iCloud for Windows. This is required so your books and purchases can sync. Once installed, open iCloud and sign in with the same Apple ID you use on your iPhone or Mac. Make sure to enable iCloud Drive and Books in the iCloud settings. This allows book files and annotations to move between devices. After that, restart or sign out and back in if the Books option isn't visible. Once iCloud Sync is active, you access files through the iCloud Drive folder in File Explorer. Apple Books stores purchased EPUB and PDFs there. If a title isn't downloaded, go to your iPhone or Mac's Books app and download the purchase to iCloud so it appears in Windows. If Windows cannot open EPUB natively, install a reader such as Edge or Calibre and associate EPUB files so you can read and manage formats, notes, and bookmarks across devices. To finish, organize files in iCloud Drive and open them with your chosen reader. If a file is DRM-free, you can convert formats with Calibre for broader compatibility. Make sure your Apple ID is the same on all devices and that you have enough iCloud storage. Mismatched accounts and low storage are common causes of missing books. If something goes wrong, restart devices, sign out and back into iCloud, and update iCloud for Windows and your reader. This often resolves sync and access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.